Hi, welcome to this week's Take and Make craft pickup. We're making this beautiful windsock. What is your craft going to include? You're going to have this piece of cardstock, a strip for the hanger, and then you get to open up your surprise craft bag, which is going to come loaded with some different foam stickers and crepe paper to hang at the bottom. You have some red, some yellow, and some orange. So I know what you want to see. Let's see how we're gonna make it. Get a brown marker, brown paint, or brown crayon. I'm gonna use marker today and draw two trees. So we'll do one right about here, one tree trunk going up, and we'll do the other one right about there. Looks good. We want the tree trunk to be a little bit wider than the branches. And now draw on some branches. Wherever you like. And now we're going to go on to the second tree and draw on some branches here as well. Everybody's in the family can look a little bit different, and I think one more branch right about there. Easy. Now we get to do all the kids' favorite part. Let's put our stickers on. So I'm going to put my pumpkin down on the ground there and have some red leaves. Just peel off the backing. No glue is needed for this part. Do another one, we'll say right there. I suggest you use the big stickers first, and then you can just fill in with the little ones. I don't have too many of this craft made because of all the foam stickers I had to use, so get to the library fast to make sure that you get one. There. Oh, I have a little sunflower in this one, so I'll put that down there. Here's an acorn. We have a lot more fun Halloween crafts coming next month, so stay tuned. Make sure you check out my YouTube channel every Monday so you can see the new craft of the week. And then come to the library and you can ask for it, whether you come in to pick up your books or you come to the table outside. You can ask for the Take and Make Craft of the Week. I have a few more stickers to go. So look for any bare spots. You should be able to use all of your stickers. We'll do it right there. So it's going to look like this. Okay, after you're done putting all of your stickers on, the next step is to turn it over, grab your glue stick, and we have to put your crepe paper, attach it to the bottom. That's what makes it a windsock. So hopefully you have a little covered area outside that you can hang it up, because you won't want it to get wet. Or maybe you can just hang it up outside on a dry day and watch the crepe paper blow in the wind. Now we'll do a yellow one. You can put them on in any order that you want. I'm going to do red, orange, yellow. So we'll repeat that pattern again. Red, orange, yellow. Tap those all down. And now you're going to need to get a stapler. So if you can get a parent or older sibling to help you with that, you need to hold it like that. So first I grab it and I'll put a couple staples on the top. And then we're going to do the same at the bottom. So just move the crepe paper out of the way. Ready? 1. Ooh, that one's a little harder. 2. There we go. And the last piece is your handle. And hang that at the top. Figure out how long you want your handle. Bend it over like that. And now you have your beautiful fall windsock.